Hi, let me introduce you myself. My name is Amin Mbarki. I am a test specialist and I want to present you PerfectoMobile solution with Selenium Webdriver C Sharp. So the objective is to automate a web scenario with PerfectoMobile using Selenium Webdriver C Sharp. The prerequisites for this purpose is to have an account, user password in the PerfectoMobile cloud, plus Visual Studio 2013 or later. So let's start our automation and demo. For that purpose, we go to File and we open a project. We choose the project tests, and here we have a list of Perfecto mobile add-ins. Actually, those add-ins were added in the beginning to customize our Visual Studio during the customization of our Visual Studio. So we hit OK. After that, we ensure that we have the right cloud server and the right username. We hit OK. As you know, all the devices are hosted in the cloud. So we have a skeleton for our tests. For the namespace Perfecto Lab Selenium Test Project 9 here, we have several capabilities that are set and missing ones. So we have to mention those ones. So I propose to display the Perfecto Lab and see what we can do. So the Perfecto Lab is displayed like this. We go to the launch button to launch the available devices. Then we can choose one of them. So maybe we can choose this one, iPad mini 2, and we can choose or select device ID that is suitable or needed for the source code. By the way, I launched the device, the other side. Here we put the device ID. Okay, and here I have to put credential. And in the method, WebDriver test method, we can put our source code. So the idea is to find an element within a web page, and if it's displayed, the test is passed. So we can say driver dot navigate dot go to URL, and then we can mention the URL that I choose from the website here. Okay, then I can see if an element exists. First of all, I have to find it. Okay, I can do driver dot find elements by ID, and we can try to get the ID of this element. We click right and we inspect, so we have its properties in the right side, and here you can see we have the ID of the elements. We take this ID and we put it here to identify our object. Then in a second time, once we have the element, we check if the element is well displayed within the UI. So we do element dot displayed, and then we do console right line, and we can say element found, and we do the case where the element is not found. Okay, so we have our test ready now, so we can save our test, save our source code, and launch the test. So we go to the test menu, and then we execute all tests like so we're gonna see the execution on the right side. As you can see, it's opened our website. Now it looks for the element. Okay, so the test is green. Once we finish, we can always release the device that were booked for that test. So we close and we have a pop-up asking us to clean up or not. So we hit the button clean up. Then we release the mobile. Thank you for your attention.